everyone, welcome to Cooking with Taz. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a traditional Kerala dish. It's called shrimp stuffed appams. So these appams will be steam cooked and it's wrapped in banana leaves. These appams are quite popular in the Malabar region in Kerala, and it's a very healthy dish as we will be steam cooking these instead of deep frying or pan frying. It's very interesting to make this dish from scratch. So first we need to make a shrimp filling. So it will be a dry shrimp roast, and then we'll be making a rice dough out of rice flour. We have to flatten the rice dough balls and then stuff the shrimp filling in it and wrap it in banana leaves, and then we'll be steam cooking them. Instead of shrimp filling, you can even use mussel fillings or fish filling or even chicken or beef fillings. So let's get started and let's make these shrimp stuffed appams. For making shrimp roast, I have taken 15 shrimp in a bowl. Next, let's add all the spices. 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon Garam Masala, 1 teaspoon salt. So give everything a good mix and let it marinate for a few minutes. For making the shrimp roast, I have placed a saucepan over medium heat, adding 2 tablespoons coconut oil and 4 onions chopped. Season the onions with 1/2 teaspoon salt. Next, adding 2 garlic cloves. So I'm going to grate the garlic, but you can also add chopped garlic. Next, I'm adding 2 inches sliced fresh ginger. So if you have ginger garlic paste, you can add 1 tablespoon of that. A few curry leaves. So combine everything well and let the onions cook till they turn golden in color and translucent. So it will take a few minutes. 2 tomatoes chopped. So cook the tomatoes till they turn mashed up. So next I'm going to add the marinated shrimp. So cook it covered and let the shrimp cook well for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of cooking, so the shrimp has cooked well, there will be good amount of moisture in the pan. So let's cook till the water dries off completely. So this should be a dry mixture. So I'm also adding 1/2 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder. So that will give a nice red color, vibrant color to this roast. So cook for 5 minutes. So I'm opening the lid and let all the water dry off. Adding 1/2 teaspoon salt. Finally, adding 1/4 teaspoon black ground pepper. So this is optional, and give a taste, and if you need more salt you can add salt. So now the shrimp roast has turned slightly browned, so this is good. So serve this in a bowl, and I'm also adding 2 handfuls of chopped cilantro. Next, let's make the rice dough. So to a saucepan placed over medium heat, I've added 1.5 cups water, seasoned with 1/2 teaspoon salt. So when the water comes to a slight boil, I'm adding 1.5 cups rice flour. Based on the kind of rice flour you have used, you might have to adjust the flour or water accordingly to make a soft dough. So using a wooden spoon, this is back of a wooden spoon, I'm combining the flour with water. So just mix it up and remove the pan from the heat. Let it cool down for 5 minutes. So I'm also going to add half cup grated coconut. Combine it well with the rice dough. So after 5 minutes, so the dough has cooled down a bit. So when the dough is still warm, we need to knead the dough. So that's when it will get soft. If you keep it for long, it will turn dry. So knead it well for at least 5 minutes till it turns soft and smooth. Here is the well kneaded dough. So next I'm going to divide the dough into equal parts. So I'll be able to make around 6 medium-sized rice balls out of this dough. On a clean surface, place a banana leaf. So this is washed well under running water. So I'm going to wipe the banana leaf using a paper towel. So next, I'm going to grease some non-stick cooking spray. So place the rice dough ball and using your clean hand and fingers, flatten the dough. So flatten till you get a round shape. So don't make it too thin. It can be a thick flattened dough. So next let's place 2 tablespoons shrimp roast onto the flattened dough. So fold the dough using the banana leaf and then let's glue the edges. So the dough is really soft, so it's very easy to glue the edges. Just press it along the edges using your fingers. Wrap it up in the banana leaf and fold the ends. So I have a bamboo steamer. So after I fold the banana leaf, I'm going to place this onto the steamer. I have taken 2 cups of water in a large saucepan placed over medium heat, and I've placed the steamer into it. So now I'm going to use an aluminum foil to cover the pan. So we need to cover it very tightly. Okay, so let steam cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of steam cooking, let's open the aluminum foil. And so here is the steamer. It's very hot, so use a mitten to take this out. So here are the steam cooked shrimp stuffed appams that's wrapped in banana leaves. So you will get a nice aroma of the banana leaves right now. So this is a very healthy snack as we have steam cooked them. We haven't used any oil for deep frying or pan frying. Delicious and healthy shrimp stuffed appams. So if you don't have banana leaves, you can use aluminum foil to wrap the appams. So guys, do give this recipe a try and let me know your feedback. So if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I'll be back with more cooking videos. Until then, happy cooking, take care and bye.